Chlorophyll uses energy from sunlight to prepare food by using water and carbon dioxide. The food prepared is carbohydrate which is then converted into starch, and during photosynthesis oxygen is released, and that oxygen is very useful for living organism, animals and human beings. Here's equation: the carbon dioxide and water add together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and that make carbohydrate and oxygen. Here picture you can see there a plant and its leaves that receive energy and from sun, and water received to the root, and that water is mixed with the carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide present in the air, and that mix together and form glucose, and that glucose is used by plant for their function and release the oxygen, and that oxygen is used by other living organism, animals and human. Now come synthesis of protein. The soil has some bacteria which convert nitrogen from the air into usable nitrogen in the soil. Farmers also added the fertilizer containing nitrogen into the soil, and plant absorb this nitrogen from the soil along with the water and other constituents to prepare protein and fats. Now here you can see the uh, picture of the different pulse leguminous plant, and here the nodules is present in the rhizobium bacteria, and that bacteria is responsible for the receiving the nitrogen and convert in the ammonia for their different type of preparation of protein. Now you can see the other mode of nutrition in plant. Parasites. पहला है सबसे पहला है that is a parasitic plant. These are plants which do not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from other plants that is known as the host. मतलब जिस प्लांट से वो अपनी एनर्जी अपना फूड को फिल करेंगे उसे होस्ट करते हैं, और ऐसे प्लांट्स में है अंबर बेल, और इसको कहते हैं डोरा, डुडोरा भी कहते हैं. यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर है, कैन यू सी देयर, दिस स्पाइरल फॉर्म, दीज आर द प्लांट दैट इज स्पाइरल, दिस इज पूरी तरह से ये दूसरे प्लांट्स को जो होस्ट प्लांट उनको कवर कर लेते हैं और उनसे वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं. नाउ कम अनदर insectivorous plants. There are plants which feed on insects, pitcher plants. The leaves of the pitcher plants is the modified into a pitcher. The end of the pitcher has a lid which can open and close. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes. The insect is then digested by digestive juice inside the pitcher. This is a plant. These are a plant that use insect to gain our power. Now come asperotrophs. These are a plant which do not have chlorophyll but cannot prepare their own food. They can get their food from the dead and decaying organic matters like mushroom, bread molds, etc. They produce digestive juice on the dead and the decaying organic matter, and that convert it into a solution and then absorb the nutrients from solution. These are a picture of the plant which cannot make their food because they have no any chlorophyll. Here, this is a mushroom, this is a bread mold. Now, symbiotic relationship. There are some plants live together and share shelter and nutrients, just like a lichen. In a lichen, an alga and a fungus live together, and their fungus provides the shelter, water and minerals to the alga, and the alga provides food the fungus, which is prepared by photosynthesis because the algae have much more chlorophyll. You can see that this is the alga. Here fungus is also present, and then fungus and alga both are to live together and take the food from exchanging manner. Now come how the nutrients are replenished in the soil. अब जैसे प्लांट एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल, तो सॉइल में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स रहेगा वो कम हो जाएगा, दैट इज डिक्रीज. Plant absorb nutrient from the soil so that the nutrient in the soil is decreased. So farmer add the manures and fertilizers to soil to increase the nutrient in the soil. तो फार्मर्स जो होते हैं डिकम्पोजर जो होते हैं और जो फर्टिलाइजर्स होते हैं उनको सॉइल में डालना पड़ता है ताकि उनके न्यूट्रिएंट्स को वो बढ़ा सके. The bacterium called rhizobia, which lives in the root of leguminous plants like gram, pea, beans, etc., that convert the nitrogen from the air into the solvent form in the soil, and that makes the soil rich in nitrogen. In return, the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. So they have the symbiotic relationship. मतलब मैं आपको कुछ दे रही हूँ और वापस से आप भी मुझे कुछ दे रहे हो और हम दोनों ही साथ मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं और दोनों को एनर्जी मिल रहा है, एक दूसरे को नुकसान नहीं कर रहे थे. दैट रिलेशन इज कॉल्ड symbiotic relationship. Now you can see the picture. Here the farmer जो कि फर्टिलाइजर को स्प्रेड कर रहा है इन अ सॉइल में, जहां से सॉइल अपनी न्यूट्रिएंट्स को प्रॉपर मेंटेन कर सके. और ये पिक्चर जो है आपको यहाँ पर शो कर रहा होगा नोड्यूल्स, जो नोड्यूल्स में राइजोबियम प्रेजेंट होता है जो एयर से नाइट्रोजन को लेकर उसको सॉल्युबल नाइट्रोजन में कन्वर्ट कर कर प्लांट्स को प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. अब प्लांट्स में उसको अल्टीमेटली फूड दे रहा है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट. हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट.